One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, getting ready to hit the road. Cut the top off a car. That was it. It's going to be in the video later real quick. Other than that, this is just almost out, and you can see the lot when it's almost empty. Here we go. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. All kinds of cars, but they're not at this lot. That's right. And a cut-off caddy I'll show you in a second. My dad's here. He's got the dually, and he's picking up the trash trailer. We got the trash trailer loaded. We still got all these gates, fences out. I ain't putting them back. It's not my deal. But they're all on sleeves. Donnie next door put them on sleeves. Looking good. I'm going to grab the manifold and such off of this because can't leave that. Got tools, but lots of trash. Then you got the bike. You can't just get rid of the bike. It's a nice little bike. It really is. Wow, look at that little storage bin. Dude, you see a little storage bin on this ridge?
Yeah, toolkit.
Toolkit, probably. Got a little oil and stuff. Everything's clean. I don't even remember what that was for. Something to do with my body shop. But everything's out. We're going to kind of broom sweep it. All these tires are the Tire Kings. They're not the Tire Nates. The washer and dryer, we're going to have to figure out if he wants the washer and dryer. I got to ask him on that. We got, oh man, see, that's another thing. We got to find out. So I'm going to have to text him. So like I say, I've got the Durango here. It's a sweet diesel truck, man. And I'll tell you what, a lot of trash once again. But a little bit of trash left here, some vinyl. That wheel's going over to Prizio at some point. And miscellaneous stuff. We've got almost everything into this one pile, which is really cool. And this is basically the last of what I have on this lot, besides the Buick, which is going, oh, that's Donnie's. So I am this chunk here, and that is it. Well, in this chunk here. And then I'll show you this. This is the Bustleback Cadillac. I like my Bustleback babes topless. Yeah, baby. Look at that, man. Rich cut this, hack this stuff all off here because we got a little bit of issue with mine. I hope he took that far enough. Doesn't look like he did. I hope we got this far enough. It's hard to get much down farther into it than that, but it wasn't really planned correctly, I don't think. I don't think we planned on cutting it off. Now I just want to look at my pictures and stuff because fuck it, who cares? Whatever. We tried to save it. The interior of this car is nice. This was a nice car, and like it's just over the time because of the bad tranny, it became scrap, and so now it's a scrap car. Wish I had that Murr. That's a nice Murr. I know that for sure. But topless Bustleback Cadillac and all that stuff. That's it. We're out of here. We've basically got this thing done. We're gonna go drop this for scrap and go pick up another car and drive that one up to drop off to where everything's gone and I've got everything out of here. Tonight, I can leave, take off at any time.
Anything else in the trash? Or are we all done?
Whatever you think, if you see anything. Are we all done?
I believe so. This has got it in the car.
That's that.
Piece of aluminum. It's froze.
Okay, trash. Okay. I'm gonna talk to my dad. That's that. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. That's the video, almost out of here. And I'll see you. Here's the shop. Shop is getting clean as can be. Clean as can be. Not much left. We'll see. It's been a long 10 days, but see you tomorrow.